Why are there so many cables on fans? Hey man, you having some trouble? Yeah, I'm just trying to put my new PC together and I have like 50 cables just from my fans alone. This is going to be a nightmare to cable manage. Yeah, that is tough, but I actually might have a fix for you. Here, check these fans out. Wow, these look pretty good. Let's check them out. They clip together with no wires. So these are the Corsair RX RGB fans, and they connect to each other with these plastic connections instead of having a ton of extra wires. Each grouping of fans connect in a series all into one fan hub for the iQ software. Check them out, you know where the link is.